Hello everybody, my name is Bojan Kuturanovic. Welcome to my Moy basic tutorial. In this tutorial I will cover different modeling techniques we have in this really great application. Moy, or Moment of Inspiration, is a CAD modeling tool. That means that we don't have polygons here, so everything is described the so-called NURBS geometry. And main feature of NURBS is that they don't have resolution. You can place those control points to add more details on this curve, and you can dive to any scale level and place those points, and all those details will be perfectly preserved. So you can dive to, let's say, atomic scale if you want and place those details, and if you go back you see that all those details will be preserved. So that's only possible with CAD modeling tools. They are super precise, and that's why they use them for industrial design. And at the same time we have this really flexible way of editing our shapes with those control points. You can move them to redefine this shape, you can select them and hit delete key to delete those, and also you can add more of those points at any time. So that's how you create NURBS geometry, and all geometry inside of Moy is represented in this way. So that's first really big deal about Moy. It's super precise. Second really big reason to use this application is speed. Everything here is built around speed. All those tools and operations are really intuitive and lightning fast. I can do twice as much here than in any other CAD tool, so that's really huge stuff for me as a concept designer, because I want to iterate on my ideas as quickly as possible. And the third really big deal about Moy is a high level of flexibility. If you like to switch between different applications, you have amazing import and export features, so you can go between popular modeling tools without stress. You can import OBJ files here, convert them to NURBS, and then use all those NURBS tools on your model. And after you finish inside of Moy, you can export everything back to OBJ in high resolution and use that same model in let's say ZBrush or any other sculpting tool. So you can be really flexible, and in that way you can be more creative and also deliver your work much faster. I will split this tutorial in two parts. I want to make sure that all user levels understand all those techniques. So I will start with part one, which will be for absolute beginners, where I will talk about Moy user interface, navigation, and different ways of how you can interact with this user interface. And also I will go through every single tool here and explain how you can use all those in proper way. And in second part, after we learn that, I will go with all those tools in really different and unique combinations, and I will show you how you can create really advanced looking 3D shapes. So I hope that by the end you will get really great understanding on what's Moy and how you can apply it in your daily work. So let's now start with part one, and let's discover about Moy user interface.